Hello, welcome to Tech Transform. This is the part 2 of object-oriented concept in Python. In this video, I am going to demonstrate to you what is inheritance and polymorphism in Python. So inheritance is nothing when you have a base class, have certain methods already defined, and if you want that particular methods to acquire to other classes, child classes, in order to you have to do that inheritance. You have to follow the inheritance. Means let's say you have a base class, some methods are already defined, and you want that methods to be again utilized. You don't have to write again. Then and you have to add some more methods also in your different class. So for that, what you should use, you should inherit that particular class and utilize, and you can reuse all those methods available in the base class. So that's basically there is a base class and or parent class, and drive class can basically inherits from derived class, basically inherits from base class or parent class. So let's see in the action, then we'll go to polymorphism next. I'm already running the Jupyter notebook. Let's create a new notebook here. Say name. Oops. Part 2. Okay. The very first thing is coming here is, let's say I'm going to create a class called animal. Class animal. Def underscore init underscore the special method in Python. Self, I'm passing one parameter only, name. I'm not passing any parameter right now. Let's be it more simple. Okay. Print animal created. Okay. Let's give one more method. Def who am I? Self colon print I am an animal. Okay. Let me add one more method. Def eat. I am eating. Okay. So we created a we created a class. We can call this class as a base class. Let's say I want to create another class. Let's say dog, and we know that the dogs have these basics features already. I want to print this. I want to execute this method. So who am I, eat, all this method I want to be available. I don't want to rewrite again. So that the inheritance concept come, we can create our class like class dog, and we want to inherit this class. We want to utilize these methods. I don't want to write again these methods. In order to utilize this class, we have to inherit this base class. How to inherit? Simply you have to pass that class name. It will be inherited automatically. This is the syntax in Python to inherit. Okay. Let's give def underscore init underscore self. Okay, I want to execute the animal class self method dot underscore tab. Okay, then I want to give one more method. This method is specific to this dog class, bark. Let's execute this. Let's execute this. So what happened? Uh, Here this animal class have two methods, who am I each, and this dog class is actually inheriting animal class. So it's try to execute this init method of animal class, means base class, and also it have one extra method bark. Let's create instance of this dog and see what are the what are the methods available in this derived class. My dog is equal to dog. What is this? Okay, so we haven't passed the self that last time. Let's create the animal object. So this is the base class object. Animal is equal to animal. So these executed. This automatic init method got executed. Animal created method sprint. Now create the object of the derived class. For that, dog is equal to dog. See, see what happens here. What we did, we created a base class. Here we are inheriting this parent class, and here I'm executing this init method of base class, because how I can now use that init class, because I am inheriting this method. So all those methods inside this animal I can access in this derived class. Also you can see what are the options available here. Dog dot eat and who am I. These are the two methods was in the is in the base class, and new method, one extra method I have added in the derived class. See, we can access all those methods of the base class, also the new method inside the derived class. So that's how the inheritance concept is. If you want to really do like eat who am I, okay. So it's saying I am an animal, because this is coming from the base class. Let's say I want to override this method in our derived class. So you have to give the same method name. I am a dog. Okay. Now check this. Now it's who am I is coming. It's this who am I method in base class also, in derived class also. Now we just overrided this method in base class. So now I'm executing this from the base class objects. It will display the base class method. So this is how the inheritance done. Let's move into the polymorphism concept. Home. So if you have a same name but having different type, how can you uh, use that same method name, but the same method name can do different tasks based upon their role. So that's what the polymorphism is. Let's say I am going to create a method called class called dog. Let's say class dog. Class dog. Simple method, simple class I am creating. Okay. Df underscore init underscore. Here I am passing one parameter that is called name. Self dot name. Okay. Creating one method def speak. I am returning name, self dot name plus name. I am giving this is dog, so I am telling ba. Let's execute this. I am creating same syntax of a different class, giving name as cat name underscore, I'm also expecting one name parameter here, but instead of this method name is also same. Instead of the actual this box, I am telling muse meow. So what we have to, we created two different class, but having the method name both class containing same method name, speak, but here speak, it's here if it is a dog it barks, if it is a cat it's mews. So now let's see. So polymorphism is basically it's a share same method name but different types. These two data types are, these two types are different, speak types are different but having the same class name. So that's what the concept of polymorphism. We can use utilize, we can use doing in inheritance, what last we just saw, having the same name we can override also. That's what also the polymorphism concept. So here how we can see the properties. Let's say we have to, we create Pento. Let's say I'm creating a Pento object of dog. It's expecting parameter name, I'm passing Pento. And cat I am giving name as Felix is equal to cat, passing Felix name parameter. Let's execute both. So we have Pento, we have Felix objects created. Let's print Pento speak method and Felix. Let's execute both. Keep one new line. Let's execute this. See, it's returned Pento Felix. So both the methods are same. Let's say I want to execute in a loop like for pet in Pento Felix. I want to print type of both the object, type of pet, giving a new line, print, then the actual method pet dot speak. See what happens here. Control X. We have to put this new line after this so that it can be separated. See, these the name is same, speak method name is same in both the instance. So once we are seeing this, the type of pet is underscore main dot dog, and here the type of cat is underscore main cat. This underscore main we'll later see in the video. This is the special method, a special class like underscore init underscore in Python. So see, these two objects are having different types but share the same name. So here we can, if we have a same name, we can create different object, and we don't have to worry about we have to specify different name also because name is same. That's what the polymorphism concept. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.